Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. So in this video, I thought I would go ahead and just share a quick little room tour. I told you guys recently that I moved my room around. This is where I film. This is my beauty area as well. I share the bedroom with my husband, of course. But I thought I would just go ahead and share with you how we set it up because it is different than before. And also just kind of do a quick overview of how I store my makeup. However, I will be going through and sharing the collection with you guys at a later time, as well as decluttering more items as well, like I told you guys before. But I just wanted to give you an overview of how we did our room. We did make a lot of changes, and I love the changes. We have more space in here. I don't feel crowded or overwhelmed or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. That's today's video. If you'd like to see my updated room, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is standing at my door. This is my bedroom door right there. And that's where I was standing. So from my door, you can see my television, my dresser right here. And it just has very little on it. Before I had a lot of stuff on there. This time I made sure to take that out. But you guys remember right there is where my background used to be, where I would film and all of that. So that is no longer going to be my background unless I decide to sit like in front of the bed somewhere, which may happen. It's possible that I would do that. But we just have our nightstands. And then, like I said, that is a picture that you guys would hardly ever see in a video because it's too high. I just have that Valentine's decor, but that will be coming down after Valentine's Day. I just thought I'd throw that up to get the Christmas stuff down. Those pillowcases on those pillows are from the Dollar Tree. They say good morning. I did get two, and a lot of the decor I'll show you up close is from the Dollar Tree as well. I hauled a recent haul. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it on the cards. But I just got all these pictures. That one's they're all from Dollar Tree. That's a candle from Pink I got some time back. That's another Dollar Tree. This was given to me years ago for Valentine's Day for my mother-in-law. It's from Dollar Tree. I've seen it there. And I got this. It had a little heart in it, like a letter. And I guess when she bagged it, it flew out, unfortunately. But I still hung it up because I thought it was cute. I can always stick something in there, like a fake note or something like that. But yeah, so right here is where I moved my, let me give you an overview, sorry. So this is an overview of the side of my makeup area. So right there you have my Alex drawer. On top is a little makeup organizer that my mom had bought me several years ago, probably for my birthday, Christmas, or something like that. And then this is the vanity that I had over on this other side. It was in this corner here. And it had pictures and stuff up there. So we moved it to this side. Excuse me. That there, the pile of makeup that you see, that is all giveaway products. It's a lot. And I think I have more elsewhere. But that is giveaway products. I'm in the process of going to take a trip to Dallas so I can get another Alex drawer so I can put all that giveaway stuff in one of those. It'll go on the other side. And then all that stuff down there would get out of there as well. That is my Glam Light palettes, the ones that I got in a recent, I think it was the Christmas or New Year's, maybe, I think Black Friday. I can't remember. I'll try to remember, but I did film that unboxing if you guys want to see everything I got. Those are so big, so I don't have any space anywhere to put those at the moment. Those are just extra little things I got to put away. That right there is declutter products, which you guys did see. I added some more to that today, so I'll film that as well. Not the ones you've already seen, but I'll film others. And then that little case right there was a gift from my mom for Christmas. It's a makeup beauty case. It's really, really pretty. I'll share that with you guys. I'm thinking I'm still going to share what I got for Christmas. Let me know down in the comments if you'd still like to see that. I'm not going to show every single thing that I got. But I want to share just a few things with you guys. I got a couple sentimental gifts that just really touched my heart this year from my family, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I just thought it would be special. That is still my Dollar Tree stuff that I hauled. You guys saw that video already. It's been posted. I just have to put it away somewhere, and I haven't moved it. Some stuff I got shopped, I did share that with you guys in a video. An overview of my vanity. This is oh, I did forget to show you, that is from IKEA. This is from IKEA as well. I have had this for many years, but I just have my makeup and beauty stuff stored there. Like I said, you're going to see a video of how I store everything coming up soon. I'm going to film that for you as well. Just want to give you an overview. This sticker with my name is from my birthday balloon from my birthday in May 2021. And I took it off the balloons. They did die, but I took it off and just stuck it there. I thought it was super cute. They put my name on the balloons. So I don't like all that down there. That bothers me. But for the time being, it has to be there because I unfortunately don't have any more room in these cabinets or that. I did purchase myself this little dinner tray. Just this from Target for $11, $10.99 or something. I purchased that because whenever I film a video, obviously I cannot put my camera in front of this desk like that on that wall because you wouldn't be able to film. So therefore, when I'm sitting here at this desk and filming, the dinner tray will be here with the camera in front of me with my ring light, and then you'll be able to see my background, and I can use that to display my stuff. Like if I'm doing a makeup look or something like that is when I would mostly use that. This is my chair that I have always had. I just have some stuff on there that needs to be put away. But this is now my complete, I would say, makeup station, like where I will do my makeup and all of that on a daily basis. I did my makeup there today. So I had this and this, and I had legs on this side. This was my computer desk that's always been in my room. You guys didn't really ever see it because I didn't show it. It was on the other side of the room, which is where it's at now. It's still here, but it's just different. So basically, I transitioned from a brown table that I had on that other back wall that I would have all my stuff on and film on. It was an older table I had, and I just took my computer. I had an old Mac computer, was super old, like 2007. It doesn't really work anymore, so I just took all of that out, and I figured, don't need it out here no more. I have a laptop already, and I can work on that. So I basically transitioned everything from that brown desk onto here. And like I said, I'm going to give you an overview of all that I have up here and what everything is and stuff in another video because I feel like that would be better. But basically, this whole cabinet here is makeup stuff. This is majority of like office stuff, like for my kids' homeschooling and all of that, except for one drawer I did take, which is this one here, I think, and I added more palettes because I needed more room because of all the palettes I recently got. But it's going to be getting transitioned, and all the office stuff will be coming out of that. And like I said, I'm working on getting another Alex drawer, and some of their homeschooling stuff will go in that one. The top will be mainly like for my extra like giveaway stuff, and then the bottom, or vice versa, and then the rest for their homeschooling. So that is what I have here. And then that's just my trash and shredder bin. So that's that there. But this is just an overview of what I have. And then let me scoop back. And this is how my wall looks now. You guys probably remember time back before Christmas and Thanksgiving. That picture there was on that wooden wall right here. It was right there on there with these other little pictures that are on the side. This is the overview of this area. Now, this may look like it's off-centered and all of that. Trust me, my husband measures everything when he hangs up something. He doesn't do it. He makes sure that they are centered. This picture here I got from Ross for like less than $10. It was on clearance, and I think it was because if you notice down here on the picture, it is off-centered and they didn't cut it properly. So that is what's making everything else look off. It did bother him, but I told him it wasn't a big deal because my head will probably block it when I'm sitting in front of it anyways. And then you guys remember that beautiful little sign. One of my YouTuber friends made me that and sent it. I absolutely love it. But yeah, this is just an overview of my now makeup station where I actually will sit, do makeup on a daily basis. And that will be my background for most of my videos. I will be sitting in front like I told you guys. You saw my recent Dollar Tree haul. I was sitting in front of there. And when I film a makeup look and stuff, that will be the background. Sometimes when I don't do a makeup look, I may film in front of this. Like if I'm just doing a haul or something, I may sit in front of my bed. I may sit here, and this may be the background. It's just going to be whatever I want it to be that day. So yeah, that is the overview of that. I really love the way it looks. And then on this wall, we just have our little signs. And then I got those lights. You guys seen them in my video on the background over there by my bed. I got those at Target for less than $4. And I actually have another set that my son no longer wanted that I bought him. So I'll be taking those from him and placing them somewhere. But yeah, that is an overview. Let me show you one more time. So this is an overview of our newly decorated room and changed around room. I do enjoy it so much better. I do have stuff I still need to put away, but for the most part, I do love it. You can see all the space that we have. When we had our bed on that wall, which was right under that picture between those two, we did not have a lot of space. In all honesty, it was very crowded. Plus with that brown table in here that I had, it was a decent size. I would say it probably was about this size with legs, not with the bottom. And it just took a lot of space. I had to move it back and forth each time. So this way works out just so much better in my opinion. I really do enjoy it. We do have plenty of space, and I just love the overview of this in general. And like I said, we're going to get another Alex drawer. It's going to go right there, and I'll still have plenty of space. It may even go right there in that corner next to that one. I'm okay with that. Right now, I just put my ring light, which is not there. It's in the living room because I did film out there some videos. But it could easily go there. It's not a problem, and we can still have this space and all of that. But I definitely do enjoy it. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I guess I could show you. My TV went off. But that is my dresser. I do have some things here for giveaway in my purse. And my kids' schoolwork currently is right there because I need that drawer to put that in. My husband told me just to stick it there. But that's an overview of our room. Again, I'm really happy with it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know what you think. Do you think that I've maximized my space? Like I, situated everything nicely. What do you guys think? I would really appreciate your feedback. I love hearing people's feedback. What would you may have done different? Let me know what you think about this new background that we're going to have right there. And about my setup, I would really appreciate it. But this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you're having a very blessed evening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.